Are you looking for the best portable monopods? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable monopods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Altura Photo 62-inch Camera Monopod. The Altura Photo 62-inch Camera Monopod is a heavy-duty, yet lightweight monopod that is perfect for photographers on the go. Its aluminum design collapses down to a compact 16.75-inch and weighs just 0.59 lbs, making it easy to carry and transport. This monopod features a universal camera pole stand thread mount that can attach any DSLR or mirrorless digital camera, video camera, ball head, or scope up to 5 pounds. Its soft foam grip and safety wrist strap provide a comfortable and secure grip, and its built-in non-skid rubber foot with retractable leg spike makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor terrain. What we like: steady photography support, excellent stability for infrared images, compact and lightweight design, quick connection to the camera. Number 2. MiPremium Floating Hand Grip. The MiPremium floating grip is designed to enhance your GoPro experience, especially in water sports. Its floaty design ensures your camera stays on the surface, making it easy to spot and retrieve. You'll appreciate the textured EVA grip, which provides a secure hold even in wet conditions, allowing for stable shots from various angles. Additionally, the handy watertight compartment keeps your small valuables safe and dry while you enjoy activities like snorkeling or scuba diving. Compact and lightweight, this grip is perfect for both land and underwater adventures. What we like: floaty design prevents sinking, non-slip grip for stability, watertight storage compartment, lightweight and portable. Number 3. MiPremium Floating Hand Grip for GoPro. The MiPremium Floating Hand Grip is designed to enhance your underwater photography experience. Its buoyant structure keeps your GoPro camera afloat, preventing it from sinking, which is especially useful during activities like snorkeling and surfing. The textured EVA grip ensures you maintain a secure hold, even in wet conditions, allowing for steady shots. Additionally, the handle features a watertight compartment for storing small valuables, keeping them dry while you enjoy water sports. Compact and lightweight, this grip is easy to carry, making it the perfect companion for any aquatic adventure. What we like: buoyant design prevents sinking, non-slip grip for stability, watertight storage compartment, lightweight and portable. Number 4. ULANZI TB12 61-inch Monopod. The ULANZI Monopod is a versatile tool for photographers and videographers alike. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, weighing only 0.83 pounds and folding down to 16.9 inches, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. You can adjust the height to suit your shooting needs, with 5 different settings ranging from 16.9 inches to a full 61 inches. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this monopod offers great stability, supporting cameras up to 11.02 pounds. Whether you're capturing wildlife or taking selfies, this monopod adapts to various modes to enhance your photography experience. What we like: lightweight and portable, adjustable height settings, sturdy aluminum construction, multifunctional modes. Number 5. Gahenwo 69-inch Magnetic Phone Tripod and Selfie Stick. The Gahenwo magnetic tripod is a versatile tool that combines a selfie stick and tripod, perfect for capturing photos and videos with ease. Its magnetic holder securely attaches to iPhones with MagSafe or any phone using the included metal ring, so you can quickly set up your device without clamps. You can extend the tripod up to 69 inches, giving you flexibility for different shooting angles, from low to high perspectives. Made with durable aluminum alloy and reinforced fibers, it's both lightweight and stable, ensuring a comfortable grip and steady shots for your vlogging or travel adventures. What we like: magnetic phone holder, 69-inch adjustable height, lightweight, durable materials, 360 degrees rotation for versatile angles.